Hi everybody, today we've got the rain pouring, the heavens have opened, so I've come indoors to do some product testing. So one of the latest clubs that we've received in the fitting bay for testing this year is the Callaway X-Forged 18 iron. So this iron looks like so. So it's very much a player's iron. So this iron has been launched for your lower handicappers, essentially for a lot of their professional tour players as well. So the iron's for a golfer that's looking for ultimate feel, ultimate workability, still a little bit of forgiveness, but mainly they're not looking for the distance, they just want to control that shot, control the ball flight and control how far it's going to go. So also with that club, I've then been testing the X-Forged UT. So now this golf club is essentially very similar to the X-Forged 18 iron, however the UT is a hollow bodied head utility iron used for just driving off the tee or replacing 5-4, 3 iron and even the 2 iron in there for, again, those golfers that still want to play a long iron. So, on the screen behind me is some of my testing with these two clubs. Now I've tested the X-Forged 18 7 iron in the fitting head that we received with a Dynamic Gold S400 Tour issue shaft in there. That's the closest shaft to the Dynamic Gold X100 I would normally play. So in terms of numbers, the blue at the top here, I was getting 123 miles an hour of ball speed, which is pretty much bang on what I would expect with my own current Forged 7 iron. 16.7 degrees of launch and a superb spin rate of 6,693. So that's giving me the flight that I want as a golfer on a 7 iron. So the better golfer normally wants a little bit more spin to control the ball going into the greens. That's then given me a carry distance of 173 yards, which is exactly the same, bang on identical to my current Forged Mizuno iron that I normally use. So then moving on to the X-Forged UT. It's down the bottom here in the red. So I produce quite a bit less launch, as you can imagine, with the lower loft, and then again quite a bit less spin, but still more spin than I might traditionally get on a normal 4 iron. So that's helping me achieve the height, achieve the peak height I'm after on a 4 iron, get me landing the ball a little bit steeper to help on those control into the green on a longer par 4 or a par 5, for example, and resulting again in a 206 yard total carry. Again, that's exactly what I really want a 4 iron to be doing, carrying between 200 and 210 yards. In terms of the reason why you put this in the bag, it's mainly for forgiveness. It's a lot easier to hit than a traditional Forged 4 iron, just purely because of the hollow body construction. So that's definitely something I'd advocate everybody trying that's thinking about having a forged set of irons.